When it comes to upgrading your home, few improvements have as much impact as replacing outdated windows and doors. They influence not only the look of your house but also its comfort, efficiency, and value. That's where Frisco Window & Door Solutions stands out. Homeowners across the area turn to them for their expertise, high-quality products, and customer-first approach. If you're considering a renovation, here are the top benefits of choosing Frisco Window & Door Solutions for your project. Energy efficiency that saves you money. One of the most significant reasons homeowners replace their windows and doors is to reduce energy bills. Old or poorly fitted windows allow drafts to seep in, making your heating and cooling systems work harder. Frisco Window & Door Solutions specializes in energy-efficient products designed to keep your home insulated year-round. With advanced materials and precision installation, you'll enjoy lower utility bills and a more comfortable indoor environment, regardless of the season. Enhanced curb appeal. Your windows and doors are among the first things people notice about your home. Modern, stylish replacements can transform your property's exterior, making it more inviting and attractive. Whether you prefer sleek contemporary designs, traditional charm, or custom styles, Frisco Window & Door Solutions offers a wide variety of options to match your personal taste. A refreshed look not only boosts pride of ownership but can also increase your home's resale value. Reliable security and peace of mind. Home security starts at the entry points, your doors and windows. Outdated locks, weak frames, or worn-out materials can make your home vulnerable. By working with Frisco Window & Door Solutions, you'll gain access to advanced security features, including reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant glass. These upgrades provide greater protection against intruders while giving you the peace of mind you deserve. Professional installation done right. Even the best products won't perform well without proper installation. That's why professional service is at the heart of what Frisco Window & Door Solutions delivers. Their experienced installers ensure every window and door is fitted with precision, eliminating drafts, leaks, and gaps that often occur with less skilled work. This attention to detail guarantees long-lasting performance and maximum return on your investment. Increased home value. Investing in quality windows and doors is one of the smartest ways to raise your home's market value. Potential buyers recognize the benefits of modern, energy-efficient, and stylish upgrades. Choosing Frisco Window & Door Solutions not only enhances your living experience now but also positions your property as a more desirable option when it's time to sell. Customized solutions for every home. No two homes are the same, which is why Frisco Window & Door Solutions offers tailored options. From custom sizes and colors to specialty glass and hardware, you can create windows and doors that reflect your unique style and functional needs. Their team works closely with you to ensure the final product complements your home perfectly. Exceptional customer service. Beyond the products and installation, customers consistently praise Frisco Window & Door Solutions for their service. From the initial consultation to the final walkthrough, their team listens carefully, communicates clearly, and prioritizes your satisfaction. They take the time to explain your options, answer questions, and make the process smooth and stress-free. Conclusion: upgrading your windows and doors is more than just a cosmetic improvement. It's an investment in your home's comfort, security, efficiency, and value. With Frisco Window & Door Solutions, you get the benefit of high-quality products, expert installation, and customer care that goes above and beyond. Whether you're looking to save on energy costs, enhance your home's curb appeal, or simply enjoy greater peace of mind, they provide the trusted solutions you need. When you choose Frisco Window & Door Solutions, you're not just improving your house, you're elevating your lifestyle.